Hello my dear friends, you are watching English with Mansur, the place to build your English confidence. So as you can see, I am right now standing in front of camera and right now this camera having one of my brother, and this is the day 16 of my English speaking practice. So for a very long time I have not uploaded the video. Do you know for what? Because I had been dealing with two diseases for a very long time, which are runny nose and cough, which basically restricted me to making video. So right now my health condition is better than earlier. That's why now I am being able to making video. So this video is going to be very special because in this video I am going to share three confident phrases which will make your English conversation very confident and fluent. So before going to share those, I would like to show you the my surrounding scenery. Uh, uh, turn camera on this side and just look surroundingly. It is really so peaceful, and along with this peaceful environment I am making video. So first phrasal verb is going to be carry on. Carry on means to continue something without stopping. For an example, you can say no matter how difficult our life becomes, we should carry on with our work. Second phrasal verb is going to be look after. Look after means to take care of, take care or something or someone. So for an example, you can say we should look after our health and our future. Third phrasal verb is going to be give up. Give up means to quit something easily. For an example, you can say many people give up very easily, but successful people keep trying. So these were the three confident phrases which we use in our daily life. So my next video will be more important than this video, which is going to be day 17 of my English speaking practice. So now I'm going to conclude this video, and at the end I would like to thanks to that man who is having this camera. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.